welcome back to our channel and welcome back to another video. So before we get started in this video, I am going to ask for your grace and excuse this. What you see over here is the kids and I are putting up our Christmas tree. You'll see it back here behind my head. We have it about a third of the way done. We do not have it all the way done, but we are making our way. So we have pulled out all of our Christmas decor so that we can get everything done and filmed for you guys, but we don't have it done just yet. So please excuse all of this. In the next couple of videos, you might see some of this and you will not see it in the next couple of videos. As it were, Trandon is sleeping in mom's room, so I can't film in there. The kids are in their rooms. I'm not filming in there. And the kitchen has a lot of kitchen things that are just not in their right places. So this is where I'm filming for today. But again, forgive me for the clutter. This will not be here soon. So anyway, if you're new to our channel, hey y'all, how y'all doing? Welcome. My name is Shakema. I am a single mom. I have 4 children, 2 girls and 2 boys. We also have a fur baby. Her name is Ma'am. Her name is Gracie, but we call her Ma'am. We just kind of southern around here. Today I wanted to share with you a very special video. If you know who Chip and Joanna Gaines are, like who doesn't know who Chip and Joanna Gaines are? So never mind. Everybody knows who Chip and Joanna Gaines are. So Joanna Gaines, who is one of my favorites from Fixer Upper, she actually, her and her husband have the silos down in Waco, Texas. They're big place. It's like what I want to call it. There's stores and restaurants, and I want to go there so bad and visit. But they also have a magazine called Magnolia, and I do believe that it was in last year's fall edition. It only comes out 4 times a year. It was in last year's fall edition, or maybe it was a Christmas edition. I can't remember, but it was coming out. And what she shared was something called a favorite things party. So she shared in the Magnolia magazine or article about her favorite things party. And I have seen a lot of people hosting favorite things parties. So I had this grand idea about hosting a favorite things party. And I was going to host it December 1st of this year. So if you're unfamiliar with the favorite things, this is how it works. You invite your closest friends, between 5 and 7, depending on your closest friends. I was going to have, I think, 10 people on my list. And whoever out of that 10 showed, that would be lovely. And each person that's coming to the party is supposed to bring one of their favorite things that they have used that year, all year long. And so they bring that favorite thing. Of course, the host or hostess will provide a light refreshment, maybe a coffee beverage or a signature beverage or whatever your choice is. But the hostess also brings her favorite things. And by the time you all sit down and talk about your year and thank each other for being the besties and all of those types of things, you exchange or you give to every person there your favorite thing. So say I have 5 people. By the time I left, I would have 5 different favorite things that I might never have tried before, never have heard of before. And it's just a way to share with your friends the different things that you love, you're sharing with them. So long story short is December the 1st, I have a ministry engagement that I have to be at with my father in South Carolina. And I am one of those who firmly believes if you're doing anything that's not your family exclusive, you need to do that by the first weekend in December, because every other weekend after that, especially if you celebrate Christmas as a holiday, people are with their families. They are trying to do the holiday parties for work, or they have the in-laws or the extended families, and people are just so busy going here, there, and everywhere that I don't believe it is fair to put one more thing on a person. So with that being said, knowing that I could not get it done on December 1st, I almost decided not to do it. And then the Lord said, but Shakema, you can still do it. You just may not have everybody with you. So that started the wheels on my bus turning around and around. And I am still going to have my favorite things party without the party. So what do you mean, Shakema? So last year I was at Dollar General after Christmas. So this probably was a couple days after. And I found these cute little boxes. So this box, right, this is what it looks like. This is the box, and these are actually our Christmas colors for this year. We're doing the traditional Christmas colors, and they were $1, but the green dot that you see here meant they were 90% off. So I paid 10 cents for this box, and I got a whole bunch of these boxes. I love the buffalo check. I love the candy cane stripes. I love all of these. So I had the boxes, and the Lord said, well, why don't you still put together a favorite things box? And you can still give it to your favorite friends or BFFs or people who have walked out your journey with you, or however you pick those individuals. They don't have to give you anything back, but you could do that for them. So I was like, ta-da! That is a great idea. So what I decided to do was I went to 2 stores. I went to Walmart and Dollar Tree and just picked up a couple of my favorite things. Now, you don't have to break the bank when doing the favorite things. All you have to do is give people things from your heart, and it really is up to them if they decide to use it. So I'm going to take this box. I'm doing 4 boxes, and I'm going to do my 2 best friends, Kelly and my sister Landy. I'll do theirs separate. So for the 4 friends who we don't exchange gifts normally during the year, I'm doing them a favorite things box. So I'm going to take 4 of these boxes, and I'm going to fill them with some of my favorite things. Again, it doesn't have to be something expensive. I went to Walmart and Dollar Tree, and the things I enjoy came from those places. So it can be something very expensive. That's your choice. It can be, here's some ideas for favorite things boxes. It can be a particular type of candy you like or gum you like. It can be a particular type of, coffee pod. Because I thought about putting in peppermint mocha coffee pods because I love peppermint coffee at this time of the year. It could be a bag of coffee. I coupon quite a lot, and I get a lot of bags of coffee. I actually have several bags that I need to use, and that, depending on the size of my box, that could be one of the gifts that I give. It could be a favorite book or a favorite pen. It could be anything that's your favorite thing. So I'm excited to put together these boxes, and I'm going to share with you the things that I picked up. One of my very, very favorite things to have, because it makes me feel very girly, is a makeup bag. And I always try to carry a makeup bag with me. I keep floss, I keep dental picks, I keep lip balm, I keep my contact lens things in there, all kinds of things. So I was over at the Dollar Tree, and I found this little 2-piece makeup bag holder. So I got this from the Dollar Tree. They had several different little patterns. They had a smaller bag and a larger bag. So this is what the pattern looks like, and I love this. I have several of these, some in pink, some in red, some in, paisleys, multicolored, but I love these, and I actually ended up getting 4 of these for my 4 friends. In addition to the makeup bags, I love a smoky eye when I do wear makeup. And that's probably one of my favorite things to do, is to do the smoky eye. I love to put on my makeup, and then if I could put that smoky eye in there, I'm feeling really good about myself. So I actually, at the Dollar Tree, picked up these smoky liner brushes. So I use these to do my smoky eye. I'm trying to get the glare off. And so I love the tips on these brushes. They are very good quality. And I use these. I wouldn't buy somebody something I didn't use. I use these quite often. And they had all different types of eye brushes. But this is the Wet n Wild. And I love Wet n Wild. You can buy these at Walmart for a little bit more expensive. But I love the Wet n Wild brand. I love their lip colors. I love their eyeshadows. I love anything Wet n Wild. I use all of their eyeliners, lip liners. Those are my faves. So I picked up this as well. The next thing I picked up was a compact. And I remember my spiritual father giving me a compact probably almost 10 years ago. And I still have that compact. It has my letter initial on the front. These don't have initials, but they do come in pretty colors. I had a purple one. Here's a pink one. Here's a blue one. And then here is a yellow one. And these all came from Dollar Tree. And so, You know, it gives you that double mirror that you can, you know, do your makeup, throw it quickly into your makeup bag. And so that again was another one of my favorite things. The next thing that I got for my favorite things bags or boxes was Carmex. I love Carmex. Now I've been wearing this matte lipstick and it tends to dry my lips out. But what I found is if I put on a little bit of Carmex and the matte lips, it still dries matte and my lips aren't as dry and they don't peel as much. So I was able to find, I usually use a cherry, but I couldn't find that this time. So I found a fresh cherry, strawberry, and wintergreen, or a mint flavor. So I'm going to throw one of these in the bags because that is one of my favorites. I never am without Carmex, ever. The next thing that I found was, this is called Bodycology. Oh, the Carmex I got at Walmart, and this I got at Walmart. So this is Bodycology, and this is a bath fizzy. And so in this, there are 8 of these. This is in the cherry blossom flavor or scent. What I was really looking for is I saw Kimmy from She's in Her Apron talk about the fact that she does not take baths in bathtubs that are for any other purpose than taking baths. And one of her friends got her a eucalyptus shower melt that you could throw in the shower, and it makes all this steam. And the eucalyptus, I love eucalyptus, but I couldn't find those. So I figured this would be the next best thing. And this is a cherry blossom bath fizzy that I am going to, there we go, throw in the box as well. And the very last thing that I got that I absolutely 100% love is this is Celestial Seasonings. It's a herbal tea and it's in peppermint. Now I get 20 bags of tea in this box. So I am going to take out and open up this peppermint tea box, and it comes in 2 tea bags. They come like this. So I am going to put 2 tea bags into each box. And I believe that my friends are going to just be very excited to receive these, even though I wasn't able to actually host the favorite things party. This is a way to share some of my favorite things. So let me share with you how I plan to put these together. And then what I will do is put this into a little bag. We actually went to Walmart this morning to finish getting our things, and we forgot to put it in a little bag. We forgot to get our little bag. So this will go in a bag along with this so that we're not giving this separate. And then we'll put a card in it telling them about our favorite things and the party we were going to have, but we're unable to host at the last minute. So this is it. This is what it looks like. I'm excited to be able to gift my friends with a couple of my favorite things. So here's my charge or challenge to you. If you know a few people who are your people, they are with you through thick and thin. They are with you through the ups and the downs, the goods and the bads. If they have walked out life and celebrated it with you, consider celebrating it with them. It could be a gift card. I could have put a gift card in here for coffee. Actually, I thought about getting a free coffee thing from McDonald's, and I still may be able to do that, and then just throw those inside because I actually won't see them for a couple of weeks. We're not having church tomorrow, and then the next Sunday I'll be with my father in South Carolina as well. So I'm going to have a couple more weeks to find a few more things. This is plenty, and it's just a little something that says, hey, I'm thinking about you. I appreciate you. You're one of my faves. So I did want to encourage each of us to take a little bit, maybe you got $10 or $15. Again, I got this as a 20 pack. I got a coupon on this, and so I can divide this into many different boxes or bags. So it doesn't have to be an individual thing for everybody. I think this was $5 and there's 8 of those inside. So I'm able to take these out. They're individually wrapped and you can toss those in. This was $2.74. They're normally 97 cents a piece. So buying them in a 3-pack, I actually saved a little bit of money. And I'm only doing 4 of these, but I think I'm going to throw 2 of them in for my sister and my other best friend. So for a little bit over $5. I got 6 of these, and that was cheaper than buying them separately and individually. It doesn't have to be these things. It just has to be your favorite things that you're willing to share with someone. So please let me encourage you. Pick one person. If all you have is one person and you want to share with them one of your favorite things, if it's just one thing, if it's one thing shared with 10 people, then say, hey, this is my favorite thing. I was thinking of you. I'm going to write a card and say why I'm sending out the favorite things to these individuals, and next year maybe we'll have the party. But anywho, this is what I wanted to share with you guys. So thank you so much for stopping by our channel. Hey, if you're new, why don't you consider hitting that red subscribe button? We'd love to keep you as a part of our YouTube community. Also hit the little bell, that way you never miss an upload from us. If you know anybody that would enjoy this particular style video, consider sharing it. We would really appreciate it. We're always thankful to have you stop by our channel. We want to wish you and your family a happy holidays. And until the next video, bye now.